I'm Michelle, a volunteer with the Silicon Valley Pet Project, and I'm here today with my dog Naya as part of our Reading with Dogs program. Today we're going to read this nonfiction book, Nature's Amazing Partners. This is part of the Extreme Readers series, and it's written by Katharine Kenah. Some living things work in pairs. They help each other. They are nature's amazing partners. Clownfish and Sea Anemone. What do they do? The clownfish cleans the sea anemone. The sea anemone keeps the clownfish safe. Tick-bird and rhinoceros. What do they do? The tick-bird keeps the rhinoceros free of bugs. The rhinoceros keeps the tick-bird full of food. Elephant and egret. What do they do? The elephant kicks bugs into the air. The egret eats the bugs. Pitcher plant and tree frog. What do they do? The pitcher plant draws in bugs with its colors. The tree frog eats the bugs. Plover and crocodile. What do they do? The plover cleans out food from the crocodile's teeth. The crocodile gives the plover food to eat. Look at that plover cleaning those teeth. That's a different trip to the dentist, isn't it? Oxpecker and antelope. What do they do? The oxpecker eats bugs from the antelope's back. The antelope gives the oxpecker food to eat. Flower and hummingbird. What do they do? The flower has food for the hummingbird. The hummingbird helps more flowers to grow. Gobi and Sea Urchin. What do they do? The goby helps the sea urchin find food. The sea urchin helps the goby stay safe. Sunflower and butterfly. What do they do? The sunflower has food for the butterfly. The butterfly helps more sunflowers to grow. Coral and starfish. What do they do? The coral houses many small animals. The starfish eats these animals. Wrasse and grouper. What do they do? The wrasse cleans bugs from the grouper. The grouper gives the wrasse food to eat. Hermit crab and sea anemone. What do they do? The hermit crab helps the sea anemone find food. The sea anemone makes the hermit crab hard to see. See how he's hiding? Shark and remora. What do they do? The shark gives the remora a free ride. The remora eats the food that the shark does not. Do you see him hitching a ride down there on the bottom? Algae and sloth. What do they do? The sloth uses the green algae to hide in a tree. The algae grows well in the sloth's fur. All right, and on the back, there's more amazing facts. So if this was a book you enjoy, this might be something you'd want to check out from the library to learn even more about nature's amazing partners. Naya and I hope that you've enjoyed reading with us today, and we look forward to reading with you again next time.